Have you noticed your PC getting slower and slower over time? Let's use WinOptimizer 19 to make your PC lean and fast again, and ensure it stays that way permanently. WinOptimizer's AutoClean keeps your system in shape automatically. You can access it via Automatic in the left navigation pane. Once enabled, these services run autonomously in the background, so you don't have to lift another finger. As soon as you enable AutoClean, all session traces left behind by applications or web browsers will be deleted once you close them, including temporary files. But before you do, make sure to whitelist cookies you'd like to exclude from deletion in Internet Cleaner. You can access Internet Cleaner through all modules. I'll open the settings now. Let's look at our current secure cookies. Make sure the list includes your most important websites, and feel free to make adjustments using the bottom text field and buttons provided. Click OK when you're done. I'll return to the overview page now. Once enabled, you can also access the settings for each tool in Automatic through the system tray. Right-click the cogwheel icon to open the context menu. AutoClean settings takes me right to the settings for the tool. Here, I can exclude browsers or determine AutoClean's behavior when applications are closed. I'm OK with the default settings, so I hit the OK button. Back on the overview page, the status display in the top right corner now shows Automatic as active. I can now close WinOptimizer safe in the knowledge that AutoClean will continue to run in the background and work its magic. That's it for today. Have fun whipping your PC back into shape with Ashampoo WinOptimizer 19. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get notified when new videos come out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.